ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏ-ꯅꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ 4,000 ꯔꯣꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯔ ꯂꯦꯐꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯔꯥꯅꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯇꯥꯞ ꯀꯂꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯖꯐꯝ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯆꯪꯖꯐꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯜꯍꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯂꯣꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯏꯟ ꯆꯤꯐꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯦꯐꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯂꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯨꯛꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯪ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯃꯛ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯊꯪꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯀꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯠꯅ ꯁꯨꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯝꯊꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯐꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯂꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫ ꯊꯥ 6 ꯃꯈꯥꯏ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯚꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ꯫ ꯍꯥꯠꯅ ꯁꯨꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ 5,000 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ 1,500 ꯔꯣꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ 3,000 ꯔꯣꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ꯫ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯃꯆꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏ-ꯅꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯐꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯂꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ꯫
Assam Rifle managing the borders along the Indo-Myanmar border, both in Manipur as well as in Mizoram. They have got the border close to the border itself. So the directions are very clear to the forces there in the border. The people, common villagers seeking refuge to escape from the conflict in Myanmar are not stopped. They are allowed to come in, and there is a process which is followed in consultation with the local police and the state government of keeping a records of their details and all, including biometrics. And then thereafter, whenever they are ready, they are sent back.